Hey, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this video, I'm gonna cover the following title over here. The HTML head element. The HTML head element has nothing to do with HTML headings. The HTML head element contains metadata. Metadata are not displayed. The HTML head element is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. Let me show you. This is the doc type, this is the HTML, this is the body, and this is placed in here uh, between the HTML tag and the body tag. Head, I close this and I end this like this. So this is the head tag, and it contains metadata. Metadata means data about data. HTML metadata is data about the HTML documents. What is the metadata exactly in the computer, not in HTML, in the computer? So let me show you a very obvious example. For example, let's say this is a picture. This is an example. This is a picture. As you know, computer will store data in the binary 0 and 1. The actual file is our picture. When I click this, this is the picture as you shown. But what is the metadata? The metadata of the picture is this name, this HTML logo, this string, this text has a size to store in the computer, and it is HTML logo, and it is the metadata for the HTML file. But the metadata about the our web is absolutely like that. For example, let's say the title element. The title is a metadata for our document. The HTML title element is a metadata. It defines the HTML document's title. The title will not be displayed in the document, but it might be displayed in the browser tab. We write the title in the head tag. So here I create the title, and the title is welcome to HTML. I save this and I run in the Chrome. As you can see, this is the HTML title. Then the default title of every HTML document is the file name itself. So whenever I typed that title tag, and it will change welcome to HTML. This is our title. So this is the title. And the next one is HTML meta element. The HTML meta element is also metadata. It can be used to define the character set and other information about the HTML document. So for example, whenever I type a text in here, I say, and this an H1, and I say in the Arabic language, I say, whenever I type some Arabic text like this, I save it and I run on the browser, Control R. This is an Arabic text, and when I open in another browser, it will show me an expected result. For example, let's open it in the, let's run it in another. So we have IE. So this, as you can see, this is the Arabic text, or you can type the Chinese text, because the default character set of HTML documents are ANSI. For finding the solution for this problem is meta tag. The meta tag is an empty element, and I say char set. It's an attribute UTF-8. I save it. When I refresh this, now the problem solved. This is the meta element, and metadata can have a lot of things. It provides a lot of information about the HTML document. So the next one is HTML tip. How to view HTML source. Have you ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? To find out, right-click in the page and select View Page Source in Chrome or View Source in IE or similar in another browser. This will open a window containing the HTML code of the page. So let's see the HTML code in the browser. I right-click on this and I say Inspect View Page Source, or you can say Control U. This is the HTML code. You can find what is the tag name of this here. You can find this all the HTML code of any website. So this is for this video, guys. In the next video I will cover a lot more about the HTML. Happy coding.